This is me doing a little bit of work on my car because I was told that my engine air filter needed replacement. My mechanic unfortunately sold his shop to a large nationwide company, and this is the second time I've had service done there since they sold, and now they're trying to upsell me and tell me that I need a new engine air filter. They want to charge me $50 and then installation. This one cost me $20. So I'm gonna just quickly walk through this. So the engine air filter is housed in this chamber here. There's a clip, 1, 2, and then there's one on this third side. And then I should be able to, look, open that. I'll pull out the old one, which it is dirty, yes. All right, the new one goes back in. My clip fell. Mind you, I'm holding my computer with one hand and installing that with the other. So tell me, was that worth what they were going to charge me to install it? I don't think so.